Cooking General, man. Hey, I wasn't gonna do no video today. Matter of fact, I wasn't even gonna do one, but I had a couple of things I had to clear up. Okay, first of all, number one. Oh man, I got some future videos coming out. Man, if you like seafood stuff, bell peppers, I got that coming out. You like quail, that's wildlife on the wild side, I got that coming out. I got another seafood recipe for you to try. I got another vegetarian recipe I want you to try. Man, I got a lot of things coming out. Now, when you watch Cooking General, you watch somebody cook anything. Now, I done a hamburger video a long time ago. The reason I was doing the video today because I had some friends come over and they wanted to say, hey man, make some hamburgers. They wanted everything simple. So I ain't gonna do nothing too complicated. So I say, you want it simple, we're gonna do it simple. We're gonna go back. I say, you really want a hamburger? Do you want a hamburger? Because I know, I visited Germany. And I know hamburgers started in Germany. And so I'm gonna show you when I went down there and I gave my version of a hamburger from Germany. Come here, let me show you what you put in that bad boy. Now check it out. Now, as you know, you're gonna use ground beef. And I got 2 packages of them right here. Spank them. Now, we're gonna use some mozzarella jack cheese. We got some Swiss cheese. We got tomatoes. We got lettuce. We got a jalapeno. We got hamburger buns. We got onions. We got pickles. We got a mayonnaise and mustard if you want it. And the real deal on this here, the real deal, is called a hamburger. You got to use real ham. So let's whip this up. Let's whip it right now. Ask somebody. Cooking General quick tip. Now check this out here. Now I got my hamburger meat out here like here. See, I'm flattening it out on the board. See, you base your hamburger meat on your bun. I'm looking at the bun, and you want to make your hamburger meat a little bit bigger than the bun because when you cook it, it's going to shrink. So you always want to base it. Now I got the smaller buns. You can get bigger buns than that there. And then you just take it and you flatten. Everybody know how to do this. And I'm going to season my meat later when I do my hamburgers. So just a quick tip. Cooking General, man. Trying to help y'all out. Ask somebody. Oh, welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, hey, got the hamburgers on now. Hey, I gotta really hurry up on this video. I'm sorry to rush this video, but I got to because they're coming over in a minute. Now, come in and show you what I did to them. Check this out here. Now, I just put a little, you can use your favorite seasoning. I just got black pepper, garlic powder, and I put a little Tony's on it. I sprayed my pan. Sprayed it down with a little olive oil. This is from Pam. And then I got my patties. I got 6 of them, but these 6 gonna only make 3 hamburgers. Okay, what you wanna do, you wanna go ahead, you wanna take the Swiss cheese and put it on one side. Just like this here. Put that Swiss cheese on one side. All right. That's what you call a hamburger. Because you're using ham. Actual ham. Right there. Right there. And right there. Now, you take your mozzarella jack cheese. You put it on the other side of the other one. There you go. Put this right here. Now, there we go. Look at that. Now, look. Bam. Just like that. Just like you're doing a sandwich. Bam. Just like that. Bam. Just like you're doing that. There's a hamburger. Now, I've done this recipe back in Germany. And it was a favorite. Put them in your skillet. Now, and come back and let me show you how a hamburger is supposed to do. And this was my idea. Back in Germany now. Check it out. I'm back. Come check the hamburgers out. I'm almost got a little time to do it. Now look, I got the patties on. Look at the ham cooking in them. The cheese is melting. It's doing good. Now, I'm gonna show you a quick tip that I didn't know back when I was in Germany. Now, today, if you want to do these here, if you actually want to use them, I'm showing you the original way I made it. If you want to do them now, cook your patties, all 6 patties on one side first. Put your ham, cheese, and ham on the part that you cook. That way you only got one side to cook. This is taking longer, but I'm showing you the original way I made them back then. Okay, quick tip. Now, I got my buns on here, toasting them in the skillet. Got a little butter on them, toasting them. You see I got my lettuce already chopped up. I got my tomatoes, got my jalapenos, onions, and my pickles. I'm gonna have my mayonnaise and mustard. Now come back to the end of this video, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Man, it's gonna be good. Ask somebody. Hamburger with real ham. Oh, there we go. Now, I'm through with it. I I know they about here. So come here. Let me show you what we're gonna be eating. I gotta make a lot more of these here though anyway. Check it out. Now, you got this, look at that. You got the Swiss cheese on it. You got the pepper jack cheese, all that stuff already on it. Now, I put a little mayonnaise on mine. And then, see, you got the ham and all that stuff cooked in there. That's everything. That's a HAMburger. You got real ham on it. Put it on there. Put what you want, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a little jalapenos on mine. Little fresh onions on them. Love them onions on mine. Some pickles. There you go. Oh man, get your sliced tomato. You know, a couple of leaves of lettuce on it. There we go. Let's top that boy. Now look at that. Look at this. HAMburger. Got ham in it. Man. Yeah, I thought I was crazy when I put sausage in a hamburger. But you put ham in a hamburger, you got a hamburger. Y'all know I gotta do it. Let's go ahead and do it then.